Boaters Net would like to offer a 1997 Kencraft Challenger Model 220 walk-around fishing boat for sale. The boat currently resides in Ponce Inlet, Florida, and the asking price is $19,500. The boat has a draft of 1.1 feet and holds approximately 139 gallons of fuel. The owner states this 1997 23-foot Kencraft Challenger 220 walk-around fishing boat has a 2002 Mercury 225 horsepower Optimax 225 XL saltwater engine with only 189 hours. It includes a bridge enclosure, 100-watt solar dual battery charger, fish finder, VHF radio fixed mount, AM/FM CD player, live bait well, fish well, dual batteries with a switch, has a hard top, hydraulic steering trim tabs, power trim, and windlass. It's professionally maintained and currently in water at Port Orange Marina in Florida. For more information or pictures or to contact the owner, visit boatersnet.net.